Paper cuts, though minor, can be surprisingly painful, especially when they occur on fingertip areas. To treat them effectively, start by rinsing the cut with cool, clean water to remove debris, then gently scrub with mild soap, being cautious not to aggravate the wound. Avoid harsh antiseptics like hydrogen peroxide as they can hinder healing. If bleeding persists, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth. Let the cut heal naturally, keeping it clean and uncovered to allow air circulation. However, a bandage can protect it and reduce pain. You may use a thin layer of antibiotic ointment to prevent infection, but watch out for any adverse reactions. For additional relief, consider natural remedies like raw honey or aloe vera gel and maintain a healthy lifestyle to promote overall healing. If the cut worsens or shows no signs of improvement, seek medical attention.